back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chicken chow mein. Better than takeout. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this amazing chicken chow mein. These are the ingredients. I have cabbage, bok choy, carrots, garlic cloves, ginger, green scallions, chicken breast, of course, pre-cooked noodles, fresh, hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce glaze, soy sauce, and pure sesame oil. This comes out amazing. I'm sure you're going to love them. Better than takeout. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the chicken. I have 2 chicken breasts that I'm going to take the fat away, and I'm going to start slicing very thinly. And now I am ready to add the delicious soy sauce, black pepper, and of course cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of black pepper. I have my carrots here that I'm gonna start taking the skin off completely to make this amazing chicken chow mein recipe. When you make it at home, it comes out delicious and amazing. You want to make sure that the slices are nice and thin of your carrots. Here I have my onion that I'm going to chop, and these little pieces I'm going to cut in very small pieces. And now I'm just going to put it aside. I have my cabbage here. I am going to slice it. Of course, I'm not going to use the core. And I have my Chinese lettuce here. Bok choy. I have 2 of them. Look at this. I am sure that once you make this recipe at home, there is no need to take out. You can make it at home and add enough of vegetables that you desire. And here I have my 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to dice very finely. They are going to release the amazing flavor and aroma. I'm going to put it aside. I have my ginger here. I'm taking the skin of the ginger off with the spoon, and I'm only going to use 1 tablespoon of ginger. It's a very potent and delicious spice. Okay, now I have here my noodles. These are pre-cooked noodles. These you are going to only cook it for about 3 minutes, no more than that. If you don't find pre-cooked noodles, you could get dry ones. But let me tell you, this noodle really comes out amazing and easy to prepare at home. I have the water boiling. I'm going to add the noodles. I'm going to make sure that I whisk them really good inside so that they're nice and wet. And I'm going to just leave them in the hot water for about 3 minutes. No more than that. You don't want to overcook your pasta. Look at this. Just move it around just like that. And remember, you're only going to leave the noodles 3 minutes in this water. After this is done, you are ready to rinse them out and remove them from the hot liquid. I am going to drain them. I am going to add cold water And then I'm just gonna let them stay there for just a couple minutes. Now with the sauce, I had 3 tablespoons of all the liquids. I added everything in here, and I even added 1 tablespoon of the sesame oil. This really smells amazing. On the stove, I have a pan nice and hot, and I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to add the chicken first. I'm going to try and just leave it in one layer. After 3-4 minutes, I'm going to mix it very well. I'm going to cook it for about 2 more minutes. And now I am ready to remove. I am going to put them out in a plate, and I'm going to start adding my veggies. As you could see, I didn't add any oil. Of course, we're cooking this delicious chicken chow mein at home, so you decide how much oil you want to use. Here I added the carrots, the onion, the scallions, the garlic, the ginger. I'm just going to incorporate it really good. And now I'm ready to add the cabbage. I'm going to incorporate it. Once it's nice and incorporated, I am ready to start adding the noodles. I'm going to add a little bit at a time, and I'm going to whisk it really good, incorporate the noodles really good into the veggies. It doesn't take too long to make this amazing chicken chow mein at home. Let me tell you, it comes out better than the takeout. And here I'm going to add the rest of the noodles. Once you add all the noodles, you're ready to pour the amazing sauce on the top. Mix it really well, making sure that everything is coated with the amazing sauce. Once everything is nice and coated, you are ready to add your chicken. I am cooking this in medium heat. All the vegetables in medium heat. Now I'm ready to add the chicken. I'm going to incorporate the chicken really good. And I am ready to prepare my plate and to enjoy this amazing chicken chow mein. Of course, don't forget that once you turn off your stove, you add 1 tablespoon of the sesame seed oil right on the top. I love the flavor of the sesame seed oil. What I'm going to do, I am going to add 1 tablespoon right on the top, slowly, so that I could really enjoy the aroma. And of course, I am going to mix all of this. And now I am ready to prepare my amazing plate. Of course, being very generous. And like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. And when you make it at home, you decide how much veggies you want to add. But here, let me show you step by step. Look how delicious this looks. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I added some sesame seeds right on the top, and I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am done with this amazing chicken chow mein. Better than takeout. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. When you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. Delicious. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing chicken chow mein. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you didn't, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.